A few details here. The way this motor is mounted, it's using the bracket that came with it. You can see it right there. And it was intended for a full-size 26-inch bike. And I tried to figure out a way to mount the back gear to the bike, and it was impossible. And I figured it should probably go onto the scooter easier. So there it is. There's the mount. And the scooter itself, the mount there that I kind of improvised, I got a pipe from it's a plumbing pipe. Here, let me show you the head of it. So here was what I used. From the plumbing pipe, I just cut that section off, the one that you see in the middle there. Let me see if I can focus on it. I just cut that section off, and I have, you see, it's cut from there, from that side. It has both ends the same way. So I cut it, and I modified it to accept, it fits exactly inside the mount there, this hex head that you can screw in. It fits exactly over the wheels that came out with the wheel to mount the gear for the back. So that's the gear on the back. And now for the front, right there, this kind of lined up on the back here with the mount that was already on the scooter. I did have to add a few washers there to adjust so the chain lines up exactly front to back, because it was just coming off a lot until I did the adjustment. And then from there, I also have another adjustment here that just in case the chain comes off, it's very hard to put it on if you don't move the engine forward towards the wheel. So right there, I kind of had I used the wheel that was the hole that was already there, and I mounted a screw with a nut there and an L bracket that holds the bracket that came with the motor, if you can see it. And this nut here on the screw, I can just roll it up and down and increase or decrease the tension that's got the motor mounts, and therefore it's increasing the tension on the chain. And of course, if I undo it all the way, it would allow the motor to move backwards and allow me to put a chain back on if it comes off, which it might, I don't know. It's still, I'm not sure that it's lined up exactly. So that's about it for now.